3 minutes practice. Spend just 3 minutes every day learning basic verbs.
Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
I could go with you. I could go with you.
I could go with you.
He could solve the puzzle. He could solve the puzzle.
He could solve the puzzle.
Could she sing this song? Could she sing this song?
Could she sing this song?
They could travel next year. They could travel next year.
They could travel next year.
We could have dinner together. We could have dinner together.
We could have dinner together.
You could try harder. You could try harder.
You could try harder.
I couldn't understand his words. I couldn't understand his words.
I couldn't understand his words.
Could we start the project? Could we start the project?
Could we start the project?
He could write a letter. He could write a letter.
He could write a letter.
She could not attend the event. She could not attend the event.
She could not attend the event.
Could they fix the car? Could they fix the car?
Could they fix the car?
I could walk for hours. I could walk for hours.
I could walk for hours.
Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money?
Could you lend me some money?
They could not agree. They could not agree.
They could not agree.
We could watch the movie. We could watch the movie.
We could watch the movie.
You could visit the museum. You could visit the museum.
You could visit the museum.
Could he teach us math? Could he teach us math?
Could he teach us math?
I couldn't stop laughing. I couldn't stop laughing.
I couldn't stop laughing.
Could she buy a new house? Could she buy a new house?
Could she buy a new house?
I couldn't wait any longer. I couldn't wait any longer.
I couldn't wait any longer.
They could not remember the address. They could not remember the address.
They could not remember the address.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and make a habit of checking simple verbs for 3 minutes every day.